This is our new style. Hey, all my friends. And as you know that we're running out of the lace closure and lace frontal. The lace closure and lace frontal are very low stock now. So we are now looking for an alternative product for all the customers, ladies. And this is for all our friends. This is the headband. It's very tight. You see, you can adjust. You can adjust. This my head is medium. My head is medium size. This one. This we have this. This is the headband, and this size is the cap. Actually, it's the cap, and we saw the headband with the cap here. You see, which we use the machine. We use the machine to sew the cap with the headband. So we saw the headband with the cap. This and this clothes we have different color. We have different colors for you guys to choose. So now this one. So you don't need lace closure, lace frontal in the front of your head. This part normally you use the lace closure, lace frontal, this part, but now we use the headband. This. So we saw the bundle. We saw the hair. We saw the hair on this area, and we will pull back. We will pull back the hair. Will show you this. This is the model. This one. Look this style. And we are making one. We are making one wig now. So after we make the wig, we show you a complete unit. This one. And you see, normally you need a lace in the front. This one. So now you don't need a lace in the front because we're running out of stock, the lace closure and lace frontal. So this lace we no need, and this is much more convenient. Remember, it's much more convenient for you guys to wear this one because it's easy to take off. Once you glue the lace on the skin, it's not easy for you to take off immediately. I'm saying immediately. You can take off the wig, this wig like this one. You can, if you don't want it, you just take off very fast. And this is a wig, and you can wear it like this, a wig. I'll show you. You see? Just assume this is a wig, and this is the headband. You take it off easily, faster, and you install the wig much more convenient. So for the rest of the year, we make this wig for you guys. Different texture. We have all the bundles in stock. Just the lace closure and lace frontal. Very low stock now, out of stock very soon. Very easy. So you now I know you guys don't have the lace closure and lace frontal to wear, and it looks ugly on your head. But after you wear this one, it's very beautiful. I will show you the complete unit after we make the wig. I'll see you in the next video. We combine together.